ready to ditch the manual grind and supercharge your customer communication. In this video, we're diving into how to send auto messages on Wati Throgh Zapier, unlocking a world of automated workflows that save you time and boost engagement. First, you'll need a Zapier account. So if you don't have one, sign up for free and log in now. Let's start with setting up your Trigger app. This is the app that will kickstart the automated message sequence. For example, when someone books an appointment on Calendly or fills out a Google Forms survey. Next, select Wati as your action app. This tells Zapier what to do after the trigger occurs. Choose Send Template Message or Send Session Message depending on your use case. Template messages are pre-approved by WhatsApp, while session messages are used within a 24-hour window after customer interaction. Now, connect your Wati account to Zapier. You'll need your Wati API endpoint and access token, which you can find in your Wati account settings. Input these credentials into Zapier to establish the connection. Next, specify the recipient's phone number for the message to be sent. Time to personalize your message. If you're using a template message, map the corresponding data from your Trigger app to the template parameters. For instance, map the customer name from Calendly to the name parameter in your Wati template. This ensures each message is tailored to the recipient. Finally, test your Zap. Click the test button in Zapier to send a sample message through Wati. If successful, you'll see a confirmation message. If not, double-check your API credentials and data mapping for any errors. Once you've confirmed that the test works, turn on your Zap. Now, whenever the trigger event occurs in your chosen app, Wati will automatically send the personalized message, streamlining your customer engagement and saving you valuable time.